Need spare parts? Get them quick and easy right here at Euroboor.com. For this video, let's order new carbon brushes. Pick your machine. In this example, we picked the Eco 32 Plus Mag drill. Scroll all the way down or tap the parts list to find the exact part. Click the carbon brush set. Get an extra pair if you feel like it. And add to cart. You can order directly or request a quote, depending on your region. Fill in the required data. Place the request or order, and you're all set. Our new spare parts shop isn't just for carbon brushes. Get every part in one place. Spare parts shop. Click, order, back to work.